In this video, we're going to show you how to fill out the first couple sections of the academic history section of the UC application. First, you want to click on Continue. And here, if you have a TAP or Transfer Admission Planner account, whether you were just tracking your progress for UC Transfer or if you applied for TAG, you can choose to enter your information and import your academic history information directly into this application. Now, if you don't want to do that, or if you don't have a TAP account, you're just going to click on Save and Continue. But if you do, you want to provide your TAP login ID and your TAP email address, which should be the same as the email address you provided on this application. Once you do that, you're going to click on Import Data from TAP, and then you'll just have to review the information on the following screens to make sure that everything is still accurate. We're for this just going to Save and Continue. Now in this section, you're being asked to provide information for the last high school you attended. So if you attended multiple, we're only worrying about the last one. So you want to click on Add High School. You want to indicate whether or not it was in California, out of state, or outside the US. And then you can search either by the name of the school, the city it was in, or if you happen to have the school code, you can enter that as well. I'm just going to type in Glendale, and then you'll see any of the schools that are somehow listed as Glendale, whether it's the name, the city. If for any reason you do not see your school listed here, make sure that everything is correct, and if it is, but you still don't see it, you can manually enter the school's information here. For our purposes, I'm just going to click Select, and then you'll have to refer to a high school transcript to determine what your dates of attendance were at that school. So I'm just going to quickly say this. You have to put whether or not you received a high school diploma or some type of equivalence, and when you received that diploma or equivalence, if you earned one. If you don't have a degree, you could always just select none from here as well. And then they want to know whether or not you've attended any part of your high school outside of the US. If you have, you want to click on yes and put which language you were taught in while outside the country. If not, you're just going to click on no and save and continue. In our next video, we're going to discuss how to input your colleges.